The Spanish tragedy, later known as Hieronymo is Mad Again, is one of the most influential plays of Elizabethan theater. First performed anonymously, it was only attributed to Thomas Kyd in 1773, yet few scholars doubt his authorship. The date is uncertain, usually placed between 1582 and 1592, but that uncertainty matters, because if the play is early enough, it may be the first modern revenge tragedy, the first play within a play, and the first Machiavellian villain on the English stage. Its popularity was enormous. Known simply as Hieronymo, it appeared in at least 10 editions before the reign of Charles I, far more than most of Shakespeare's plays. Audiences loved its shocking theatrical devices, especially the onstage discovery of Horatio's corpse and the deadly play staged at the end. Kyd's language is direct and controlled, often borrowing from Seneca, including Latin phrases that signaled learning without overwhelming the action. The story is framed by the ghost of Don Andrea and the figure of Revenge, who return from the underworld to watch events unfold. Spain has defeated Portugal, capturing Prince Balthazar. At court, Lorenzo and Horatio dispute honor. Bellimperia attracts both Horatio and Balthazar, and political marriage plans mask personal rivalries. In Portugal, false accusation sends Alexandro to prison until truth finally emerges. The tragedy turns when Lorenzo and Balthazar murder Horatio in a garden bower. His father, Hieronymo, the king's chief justice, finds the body and seeks lawful justice, but evidence is hidden, witnesses are killed, and Bellimperia is silenced. Grief drives Isabella and Hieronymo toward madness as the court dismisses their claims. In the final act, justice becomes theater. Hieronymo stages a play in which Lorenzo and Balthazar are killed for real. Bellimperia and Isabella die by suicide. Hieronymo bites out his tongue, kills the duke and himself. The lesson is brutal and clear. When law fails, revenge fills the void and destroys everything.